Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and AI. I really appreciate you for continuously staying with me on this particular channel, right? For subscribing to the channel. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. And in case if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to this channel because it's not going to cost you anything and you will be having a lot of valuable things to learn. And having said that, I am myself very much interested in learning, and I'll be learning, till my last breath, right? Yes, I really mean this. Till the last day of my life, I will be continuously interested in learning something or the other, right? And that's what I consider myself as. I consider myself as a student of life. Okay. All right. So let's continue with this video. And in today's video, I'll be sharing my knowledge about how to create average if s formula with the help of macro. Now in the earlier video you have noticed that we just focused on average if, right, which was basically finding the average based on one particular criteria, right? But now we'll be having multiple criterias, okay, right? All right, now let's see. I'm just taking a look at the entire data set. Don't think I'm going. Think I'll delete this part. Making some changes. Okay. Just making some changes to the data set. Right, and I've also done the color coding as well. You know, just to make it little attractive and yeah, yeah, to make it look pretty attractive, and also makes it easier to identify. Just taking a look at anyone who took a look at this data set will understand that okay, there are different color shirts and trouser combination. All right, okay, for Reed and Taylor shirt, let's see, I'll put as 45. And their price range, that is, may not be completely accurate, but this is just for understanding purpose, right? So I'll keep this 1250. Okay. All right, I think the data set is ready and it's good to go. All right, what I will do is I will save this file type. That's the most important step. Okay, and you save the type as macro enabled workbook. Search the folder where you want to save the file and macro enabled workbook. I'll rename this as file 93 July 9 average if s English. Cool. All right. Now let me insert the button for the macro. Here we go. Okay. I'll change the color. I'll go by this one. Or maybe I would say that no, I don't need this. I need this one. All right. I say that calculate, and I'll write here calculate average based on conditions specified above. Select this, align this in the center, change the color of the font to black, increase the font size to 28. Okay, this is cool. Alright, now I'll go to developer tab and click on record macro. I'll change this to July 9 average if s 2024. Alright, so the macro, you can see that macro is running in the background. Alright, so I'll write the formula is equals to, okay, is equals to average if s. What's the range for which you want to do the average calculation? This will be my range. Alright, comma, what's the criteria range? So the list of conditions that you want to check, right? So that will be this one in our case. Select this, and then is asking for what is the criteria. You have selected this, what is the criteria, right? This is our criteria. Now, so what we're doing is here we are checking for the list of brands. That's number one, first step. And the second step, we are saying that okay, I need this particular brand to be scanned. Okay, so the formula will check the list of brands, and then the formula will check for this particular brand. Then the next, the third step is to check for the list of products, which is the shirt and trousers. All right, comma, what's the product? This is our product. Okay, now close the bracket and hit enter. So in this case, it's pretty simple, right? It was easy and it's quite evident that we had only one brand and one shirt, one product. So this is the value. Now let's do one thing. Let's change this to arrow, right? Because in arrow we have multiple products, which is shirt as well as trouser. So if I change this, now we'll have, right, so the average sales for this particular brand for shirt category, right, shirt product is this. Okay, but if you look at arrow, right, and if you look at the total is this, but the average is this. Now let's see, if I want to change the product type to trousers, the data will automatically also change. Okay, now click on stop recording. All right, so once again, to remind you that this formula is very helpful, because you don't have to manually keep placing filters again and again, right? For, let's say, if you have a huge data set and you have to find the total sales for a particular brand and for a particular product, average if s will be very much helpful. Okay, or sum if s, count if s, these type of formulas will be very helpful. Now I'll right click on the border of the button. Now I will select this as the name of the macro and file 93 and click on OK. All right, now I'll remove the formula. What I will do is I'll place on OK. You see, by clicking the button, the formula has been executed. All right, so in upcoming videos I'll be sharing more videos related to AI and data analytics. All right, and I'm going to combine both of them together, and we'll see what all we can learn. There is plenty of things to be learned using AI and data analytics, right? And if you need a fantastic salary and a well-paying career, this is going to be very much helpful. Let's say that even if you are going to switch into any other domain, okay, this, I mean, AI will definitely be very helpful. And I'm sure that you have read the news that AI is becoming pretty mandatory in lot many companies nowadays, and I mean some companies have already started implementing AI, and some companies, most of them um, will get started. I mean will catch up to the phase of the AI implementation and everything, right? So I hope you have found some value out of this video, right? In case if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. You can share this with friends. If you want to like the video, like the video. If you want to dislike the video, you can do that as well, no problem. All right, so thank you for watching the video and have a lovely day.